You were quiet. You were completely quiet until I turned this camera on. Yes, ma'am. Hey guys, my name is Sharice. If you're new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So today's video is going to be a first impression Friday using the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation and trying out their new brush. This is called the E63. I have a little assistant here. Spencer is up and ready for the day. It's 6:49 in the morning, and we've been up for a while, so I decided to go ahead and film. Anyway, this brush is called I have notes right here. This is the wide angle foundation brush. This can be used for foundation, bronzer, or contour. So my face is already moisturized. I'm just using a Clinique. Wow, she just tooted. I'm using a Clinique SPF moisturizer. It just has like a SPF of 25, and this is gonna have to be a voiceover, I guess, since Spencer is talking up a storm today, honey. Oh, before I like speed through or put music, talk over this, whatever, I did want to say that I did wash this brush last night. First impressions, the bristles are super soft. I wish that the handle was more weighted. It just feels cheap, honestly. This claims to be sweat proof, transfer proof, and waterproof for up to 12 hours. The key ingredients in this particular foundation are hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to boost your moisture levels, and then vitamin E, which is supposed to give antioxidant protection. It claims to have pore blurring pigments that diffuse the look of imperfections. It's supposed to be a natural medium to full buildable coverage foundation as well. Okay, so initial application. I feel like it's slightly too dark, but it's not anything crazy. If anything, it matches my neck more than it matches my body, which I say is fine, especially for the type of shirt that I have on right now. Right, mama? I want to try it with bronzer, and this is just the Fenty cream bronzer in the shade Chocolate. I don't know why I put on this white ass shirt knowing that I'm like super tired and for sure gonna take a nap today, because this is definitely going to get on my shirt. It's not giving me much. I think because the shade is slightly too dark, the bronzer's not showing up as well as it could, or at all, honestly. Maybe I'm blind. I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it is now 7:24. My makeup is obviously done, and I think we look cute. We look cute. I think I want a new powder for under my eyes, because typically I do use a concealer that's not like too light. Like today I used NARS creamy radiant concealer in the shade Amande, but I don't know, I feel like I'm so tired lately that I want more of a brightening effect under my eye. And I've just been going in between the Clinique, what powder is this? Whatever, Clinique powder, and then I also have the Cover FX powder that I've been going through. This one's almost gone, but neither one of these give me a brightening situation under my eyes. So if you have a suggestion, please hit me up down below. Spencer like just went to sleep. Yeah, so I'm gonna go about my day and I will see you guys later. Hey y'all, I like never do this, but Raymond's inside Dunkin' Donuts getting my order. We just left Walmart getting new tires. Say hi, mama.
Hi.
There's definitely transfer in my mask, and this is like the worst mask situation. I've never had an imprint this bad. Oh wow. Not looking too cute. I'm going to just to be transparent, I'm for sure going to try to remedy this when I get home. I'm probably just gonna take the brush that I used and go over it a little bit and hope that that works. But hey guys, so it's currently 3:32 p.m. I think I've had this foundation on for about 7 hours now. And listen, I feel like I've had it on for 7 hours. I'm ready to take this shit off. I feel this on my face, and I have been feeling it on my face for hours now. I'm over it. What was I gonna say? Oh, I think I said something about touching it up earlier. I did not end up touching it up. I was just like, we'll let it ride out. But as you can see, there's no lines or anything on my face, or at least I can't see them from like the mask. And that's probably because my face transferred all over the place. Per usual, inside of my glasses have foundation on them. That's nothing new. I am wearing a white shirt, brand new white shirt. So I was like, listen, I know I'm gonna take a nap because #tired mom, I need to take a nap daily. Let me put a robe on because I didn't want to take my shirt off because I knew I was going to get foundation on my collar. I was like, let me put a robe on over this so I can like not have any transfer onto my white shirt. Honey, still got transfer on my white shirt. So as soon as this is over, I'm going to wash my face and take the shirt off. This is the robe that I was wearing, my little Verwang robe. I don't know if it should pick up because this is brown ass foundation, but yeah, it definitely transferred all over. And when I took my nap, it's like all the way down here. When I took my nap, I literally was just on my pillow like this. I did not roll. So I don't know what to say. I don't know what happened. I do want to try this foundation again. I don't know why I'm even doing this because I'm literally going to wash my face after this. I'm gonna try this foundation again with a primer, maybe the Milk Makeup, the grippy one, whatever that one is, the green one. I have it literally right here. Hydro Grip primer. Maybe that will help things sit on my face better, like adhere to my face better. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Like I'm just ready to take it off. I absolutely 100% feel it on my face, and I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, I hear the baby up there like telling these people what is what, so let me go save her from them because I know they are irritating her. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, please please, please, please thumbs it up so more people can see it, and I will see you in the next one.